I just want to say a good afternoon to all the people them who follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. The fans them out there like his stuff. Big up on yourself. Big up Jamaica land you love. That's what I say. A lot of people don't like us, especially the high class people. Enough of them want like them better than we. You see me? True, they might have certain things that we don't have, but we're not bad mind and we're not ready high people things. You see me? Give thanks to the little bit of away. Yeah. But what me I say? We know a local come up 28th of the month, yeah, November 2016. But me I say, if all of we can come out, that's the comrades them. Put the difference aside, step out and do something for your party. You see what I say? And watch. Don't watch. Say boy them not give you nothing already. Just come out through the sake of your party and you love your party. And if you don't do that, we don't stand a chance of winning. You see what I say? Yeah, we know enough of the labor right them glorify and ignorant and dark. Yeah. But of them in a power, so them should not panic. So what I say. It's where the people them pick. If they say PMP if you win it, so if they say Labour if you win it back so. We don't need no fuss. We don't need no war. So what I say. So all I know we are fuss and a fight and a war. We don't style man as pussy. You see me? Some I don't know how style people as all pussy you can't read and I promise gunshot and I say who are informer. Some I don't know our friends all I don't know sell them out and I don't know that. But they a long time. So I'm free to say anything on the net. That's what I say. The two leaders them to come together and work as one. I love that. But that now got me in Jamaica long we love. Because the people them sake. But me I love that. Anyway, when me I say to the comrades them, come out and vote for your party and the PMP and the Labour right them. You see them live, some of them live good. We like some now want to lead no PMP and some PMP now want to lead no Labour right. It must not go so. That's what I say. The whole we are one blood. Yeah, one blood. So if we can live as one and satisfied what happened, boy, you hear me? It not go better. That me say. So come and do the thing and see if we can give PMP a chance. Trust me. I eat that.